Welcome back. Today we are going to be learning further on the topic, how does a cricket chirp? Remember in our last class we learned about sound and vibration, and we also learned that a sound is the energy that we hear with our ears, and sound is caused by vibration. We also learned that we hear sound with what? Our ears. Yes. So now let's go to the lesson proper. Today we are going to learn what does it means to chirp. Do crickets chirp? How do crickets chirp? Parts of a cricket used to chirp. And lastly, the volume and pitch of a cricket. I have a big question for you, and it's, do you know what it means to chirp? To chirp means to make a short, sharp, high-pitched sound. Birds and some insects are very good examples of creatures that chirp. Have you ever wondered at night, when you come out, you hear some funny sound and you're scared and you always say, Mom, please, I'm scared. What sound is that? That's the sound of a cricket. Cricket chirps like every other animals and make sound. They make a chirping sound. Crickets use a special part of their body to create vibration. And remember we said sound is caused by what? Vibration. They don't use their mouth like we do. For example, if Miss Iry wants to make sound, I use my mouth. Ho, 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 ho! I use my mouth to make sound. But for crickets don't use their mouths to make sound, but instead they use special part of their body which is called the wings. The wings. So crickets use their wings to make sound. How do crickets chirp? Male crickets have special wings. I repeat, male crickets have special wings that can make noise. Their wings have bumpy edges. It has what? Bumpy edges. And this is called a file. It is called what? A file. How many of you have ever seen a file? File used to sharpen instruments. This is how these bumpy edges look like. And their wings also have hard, smooth edge called a scraper. These crickets rub their scraper over the file. Scraper over the file. Then the wings vibrate. Remember what I said. When wings vibrate, what do you think you hear? I hear a sound. And what sound will you hear? Is a chirping sound. This is because the cricket rub the scraper over the file, then the wings start to vibrate. Now we are going to learn the part of a cricket used to chirp. As you can see in the picture, fire is on the side of the right wings. It seems it's at the left hand side, but no, it's actually on the right wings. That's where we can look for or find our fire. That's where we find our fire. While the scraper, on the other hand, is on the top edge of the left wings. Top edge of the left wings. Isn't my cricket so beautiful? Yes, 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 yes. I know you are saying yes right now. And I know you love my cricket, don't you? But if you look closely at this picture, there's a app on both wings. Can you see the app? Yes. Are you scared of it? No, I know you're not. Or maybe you're scared. Now we are going to learn about the volume of a cricket. Volume is how loud or soft a sound is. Remember, I said volume is how loud or soft a sound is. When you whisper, your voice has a soft volume. Hello, who is that? Is this Miss Irene? How are you doing? You can hear that my whisper has a soft volume. When I yell, where are you? Are you here? The volume of your voice is what? Loud. I can hear you say loud. Just imagine you are in the kitchen and your mommy is calling your name. What volume do you think you hear? A loud volume. Yes, stranger! Joseph! Yes. So the volume of your mommy's voice at that particular time is loud. Crickets are tiny, but their volume of their chirp is loud. And that's why at night you hear the sound. Pitch of a cricket. Pitch is how high or low the sound is. I repeat, pitch is how high or low the sound is. The pitch of a cricket's chirp is higher than a frog's croak. A dog's bark has a lower pitch than a bird's song. For example, a dog can bark hoo hoo hoo. Though you can hear the sound of a dog, but it has a lower pitch. But a bird can sing sweet song. What pitch can you hear? A bird's pitch, but it's very loud and it has a high pitch. Thanks for viewing. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Always remember to go to your content page and attempt your quizzes. I love you. Bye for now.